Hi everyone and welcome to Springfield, Ohio. I've got Parker from Slack and Packin' right there, and he's joining me on today's episode of Urbex. Chuck E. Cheese filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy just recently, and we're gonna check out this old school one here in Springfield on today's episode. So all you have to do is follow me. If you haven't seen my other video on Chuck E. Cheese, I visited the location in Sharonville, Ohio. It's a newer style Chuck E. Cheese. It's been renovated recently. Anyway, head on over to patreon.com/tiltedtripodmedia, join and become a member to get access to that Chuck E. Cheese video. You won't want to miss it. If you'd like for me to do a video going over the history of Chuck E. Cheese and their recent Chapter 11 bankruptcy, then leave a comment down below and give the video a thumbs up, and I'll make a video in the near future. But for this one, it's just going to be a nostalgic trip to the past as we take a look at the sights and sounds of Chuck E. Cheese. Riding through the streets, standing the skateboarding skeleton, skateboard tricks and trees. Standing the skateboarding skeleton, where's the holy monitor's gone? Standing the skateboarding skeleton, standing on a roll. Watch her ollie up the half-pipe ramp, go on without it, she's the song, because my team sings. Here she comes, skating down the hill, you'll be skeleton, I know. There he is. All right, everyone, it's time to try the Chuck E. Cheese stuffed crust pizza. I've never had that before. I'm gonna try this little teeny baby slice. Ooh, it's kind of hot. It's hot and fresh. I just got it. So let's, hang on. I gotta get situated here so we can try out the pizza. Watch me burn my dumbass. Well, I always do that. I'm like, whoa, let's try the pizza. It's not that hot. And then I go to eat it and it's like on fire. Wait. It's not nice to talk with your mouth full, but I'll do it anyway. Good pizza. It's nice and fresh. It could use some more sauce. Definitely could use some more sauce, but then everyone that knows me, I like lots of sauce in my pizza. Pepperonis have good flavor, and the cheese is nice and buttery. Let's try this stuffed crust. I'm gonna eat off the end. Ooh, hot, ooh, hot, ooh. I don't know that I would get the stuffed crust again. It's okay. Actually, it's not bad. That stuffed crust is kind of buttery too. I kind of like it. I don't know. If I had to choose between like Pizza Hut or Jets or any of the other major pizza brands out there, I'd probably choose them over this, but this is just kind of nostalgic and it brings back some great memories from the 90s, so that's kind of why I give it a thumbs up. There goes the pizza.
It's pretty good.
Now you can say it.
It's pretty good.
Okay, I didn't think anyone could hear you over all the obnoxious noise. What? There's like a kid on the floor. Holy crap. Well, we have napkins now. That looks like what my mom would do. You ask her for, I need a napkin, and she brings like 500. Yeah, I got it.
How many minutes do you have on it?
30.
Here, I'll do it again. Oh, wow. What? How much did you win? 6? Awesome. Holy crap, you're pretty good at it. OMG, I look drunk or high on something. Won't fit you in. There it goes. Super spinner. Okay, pull the lever. And then push the big button. What the hell? Oh, only 3. Well, that was a look at Chuck E. Cheese here in Springfield on Urbex. And as always, joining me here today was Parker from Slackin' Packin'. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the bell icon, ding ding, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks, everyone.